Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast after iOS update. If you have updated your iOS to the latest iOS version and you're facing the issue that your iPhone battery is draining fast, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you haven't enabled any unnecessary feature or any unnecessary option from here. Let's say I'm gonna disable some let's disable unnecessary features which you're not using, or if it's available, so you can try to disable your Wi-Fi network if it's not necessary. Then you have to go ahead to your settings app here and go to accessibility section and then select display and text size, and here you will get an option of reduce transparency. Just enable this toggle to enable this feature, so it will reduce the transparency or the gloss effect of your iPhone. You can see that there's the gloss effect, but after enabling this toggle, your gloss effect will be disabled. So once you have done, you have to also try to enable auto brightness for your iPhone. Then go back to your home screen and set it to default. If you are using any kind of color, it might be gloss effect. So I recommend you how to try to disable this. Just keep a long press on an empty place, then tap on edit option in the top left, and then tap on customize, and here you have to select this default option. You haven't selected this clear, dark, or any other color option from here. Just select default option and then go to your settings app, and here go to battery section, go to charging and enable this optimized battery charging feature. Or if you have any charging limits, I recommend you have to try to disable charging limits, then enable the toggle. After doing this, go back. You can also go to power mode section and enable this toggle of low power mode, enable low power mode in the iPhone. So after that, you have to go back from here and go to display and brightness section and enable dark mode from here. So after enabling dark mode, you have to go back and go to accessibility section again, and here go to motion, and you have to try to reduce motion for your iPhone. So if you have reduced motions, it will reduce all the motions for your iPhone, so it will help you to extend battery life. After doing this, I also recommend you how to try to update your software or check for the latest updates. So go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here, go to App Store, then tap on your profile option in the top right, and here you'll get all of updates, all the apps which have any pending updates. So I also recommend you how to try to update all of these apps. And after updating all of apps, you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches with your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to go to settings section, go to battery, and in battery section just scroll down, look for battery health, and you have to make sure that your battery health is greater than 80 or 85%. If you see that your battery health or battery maximum capacity is lower than 80%, so I recommend you how to try to exchange your iPhone battery with any other original iPhone battery to get a more extended battery life. So in this way, you can easily fix iPhone battery draining issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.